So you bought this because your battery doesn't hold a charge, or it says it's charging and it's not, or something like that. Well, I just fixed this one from having that, and this is what you do. Hold on while my camera zooms out. Go down here, find your battery, take it out, and look at your battery carefully. You can tell where the metal prongs are there, and by looking at that you want to bend them that way a little bit so it makes better contact, like so. And just keep doing this until your battery starts charging and your computer recognizes it. That's all you really need to do, and I fixed several computers that way. This one I fixed that way, and I was trying to break it again so I could show you, but it wouldn't break again. So that's what I did, and I hope it helps you guys out. Thanks.